What's up, YouTube? I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video, so figured I got something pretty cool, so take a video of it and show you guys. But I realized I forgot an extra battery for my camera, so I went ahead and got the footage of the siren first, and then I'll get all the telling about it and all that. So yeah, it's back there. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. So I'm gonna take it apart and get it all cleaned up over the next while. And yeah, that'll be more videos to come, hopefully. So yep, cam siren. I think it's a 140. The motor, I think, is something different, because the guy that I bought it from said it was a 24 volt. So I think they replaced that, and there's no badges or labels or plaques or anything on it. So that's probably not the original motor. But I don't know, maybe if one of you guys could tell me, that'd be cool. So yeah, over and out, guys.